Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or much depending on your location. Please join in the struggle to liberate our people from the contraption. Like and share videos, this update. I will adjourn your case indefinitely if you continue to hold the court to ransom. Judge, that's Nnamdi Kanu. Yes. Now, during a hearing on Wednesday, April 17th, at the Federal High Court in Abuja, Justice Peter Nyako threatened to adjourn Onyendu's trial indefinitely. Yes. If he kept insisting on further delaying the commencement of the trial, that's what Bintanyako said. Said if Onyendu insists on further delaying the commencement of the trial. Yes. Alore Jimako, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's lawyer, has stated some conditions to be met by the court for his client, that's Onyendu, to submit to trial, some of which were the bail earlier granted him should be restored. Yes. Alore Jimako is making a case that the bail earlier granted Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, should be restored. Another condition was that Onyendu should be relocated from the custody of the Department of State Services, and he should be allowed free access to his lawyers to enable him to prepare for his trial. Yes, that is it. So Ejimako has been saying it, that DSS are obstructing Onyendu from his lawyers. Yes, they are preventing the lawyers and Onyendu having robust discussions on how to move ahead with the trial. So, because of that, the trial has been delayed. They are delaying their submissions. And now Binta Nyok is saying that she's threatening to adjourn the case indefinitely. Indefinitely. Yes. So, but the prosecuting lawyer, talking about federal government lawyer, Adebo Yoga Awomolo, objected to Ejimako's request, describing those requests as frivolous. Yes, so Justice Nyako fixed the ruling on request by Onyendu's lawyer for May 20, but she insisted that progress must be made in the case on Wednesday by allowing the prosecution to open its case by calling witnesses. Look at what Binta Nyako said. Quote, "It is either we open this trial today by prosecution calling witnesses, or I adjourn this matter indefinitely till time you are ready for trial. You cannot continue to hold the court to ransom. I hope you know the consequences of adjourning the trial. Sine die. You have to make a choice, and the choice has to be for you. I will rise for some minutes for you to think about this and make a choice, and that choice has to be made today." End of quote. That's Peter Nyako telling Mazi Nnamdi Kanu that you know the consequences of adjourning your matter sine die. That's indefinitely. So go and think about it to know whether you agree that we'll start this trial today, because this trial must commence today, must open the trial today. Otherwise, I'm going to adjourn the case sine die indefinitely. That's a threat to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu anyway, but that is what is happening now. Yes, of course, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said to his lawyer that, look, the DSS, they are the ones delaying these things. Yes, he talked about, relocating Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to Kuje prisons. Yes, enough of this DSS interference. Secret police. Okay? Go to prison. Yes. Take him to prison. Kuje prison. That's what Jimako is advocating for. Prison, where they call correctional center. We know it's not a correctional center, but that's the demand of the lawyer. No DSS, where everything is being recorded. He won't have access to his lawyers. If he's discussing with them, they will be recording everything. No access to medication and everything. So let him go to the correctional center or the Kuje prisons, where he will be allowed some level of his own rights. Yes, his fundamental human rights, where it will be allowed for him, at least, if not for any other thing, at least 50% of his rights. Yes, but in DSS, nothing. In DSS, it's like where someone is in a cage. in a cage. They monitor everything you are doing as a human being. No space for you. Okay? So that is it. They keep tormenting. So that is what is happening. Martin Kanu'S story is talking about the Kuje prison. That is where he's advocating for. These are the conditions. Allow Martin Kanu to go there. That is it. And again, this issue of bail. He said the bail that was earlier granted must be restored. Yes, that's what the lawyer is advocating for. These are the things. But the judge said, oh, you to go and decide. These things are for you. We are doing it for you. So what is happening is this. The government and the agents, they are feeling like, oh, they have the yam, they have the knife. So whatever they like, they will do. But it's not true. It's not true. You feel that you have the powers, you have the total powers. But it's not true at all. So if you continue to keep Mazam Khan in detention, you think that things will be better for you? Nowhere. We know the likes of Hope Uzodimba. They are the ones behind all these things. Yes, keeping Mazam Khan in perpetual detention. That's their plan. That's the script they have written. And they have given it to this woman, Binta Nyako, to be implementing it. So they think that they can do anything and go scot-free because they are government. You are in government today, you will not be in government tomorrow. Yes. So they've been talking about peace in the Southeast. It's not only in the Southeast. Peace eluded the country. The peace has eluded Nigeria as a country. Not only in the Southeast. They have to ask themselves questions. What is happening to them as a country? Yes. You keep him in detention permanently, indefinitely. We are not going to release him. Your case will be seen to die. Look at your country. Your country is in tatters, is shambles. Look at it. The worst country we have seen ever in the entire life. Yes. Look at what is happening. Look at the level of kidnapping, insecurity everywhere. This has been